Good afternoon, TK. So we've been talking a lot about farm animals, right? Animal farms are places where farmers raise and keep animals for things like food and materials. And I bet you found a lot of things around your house that came from farm animals. But were there other things around your house, especially in your refrigerator or the cupboards, that were made from other things that might have come from the farm? Yes, like vegetables and fruits and our cereal and rice. Yes. So today we're going to be talking about crop farms, okay? And we're gonna do a picture walk through this book called Life on a Crop Farm, and then I want you to tell me what you think a crop farm is. Okay, ready? Here we go. Life on a Crop Farm by Judy Wolfman, photographs by David Lawrence Winston. Life on a crop farm. What do you notice? What do you think those plants are? Yeah, corn, and of course we know that. Pumpkins. Look at, there's a table of contents. So that means that this is a nonfiction book. This is what happens in real life. Wow, what do you notice? Yep, she's riding the tractors. There's lots of land. Corn and green beans. I love both of those vegetables. Blueberries, strawberries. Yes, she has to use a tractor to help them work the fields. And look at, this is a corn planter that can plant 6 rows at a time. The white cloth looks like a giant carpet on the cornfield. So they use the white carpet or white cloth to help keep the seeds warm and moist. What else do they grow on this crop farm? Yeah, asparagus. How many of you like to eat asparagus? I do. I just love it grilled. Beautiful flowering trees. This must be the springtime. Right? I love the scent of fruit trees when they blossom. They make the orchard smell so good. So this isn't just any type of tree. What type of tree is it? It's a fruit tree. So after they blossom, what's going to come? Yeah, a fruitlet. A baby fruit will start growing right there at once the flower or the blossom dies. And then it'll keep growing and growing until it becomes a nice, big, ripe, juicy fruit for us to eat. What else? And when it's done growing, it's time to pick it. What are they picking? Picking is a big chore. Look at, she's picking blueberries and apricots. Courtney gently breaks off an asparagus stem. We always check the asparagus to make sure it's grown enough before we pick it. These spears are ready to become someone's meal. Did you know asparagus grows just like that out of the ground? Interesting, huh? Oh, and strawberries, yummy. I know Bryn has strawberry plants in her garden, And some of the strawberries are red and ripe, ready to go. It's hard to believe that these tiny white flowers will turn into plump red strawberries. Once again, first comes the flower and then comes the fruit, huh? Strawberries are Courtney's favorite fruit. She's good at picking them too. Let's see, what else do you have to do on a crop farm? Ouch! If I forget to wear long sleeves and pants to pick raspberries, I end up with lots of scratches. So they've got blueberries and strawberries and raspberries, lots of different types of berries. Oh, and look at over here. What does that look like? Japanese beetles. Do you think that's something good for the crop farms? No, huh? Yep, Japanese beetles munch on leaves, so they have to take care of their crop from diseases brought by insects and other things. There, and oh, look at those beans, those string beans. What a chore it would be to pick string beans by hand. The picker does a great job for us. Look at this. Yeah, it's a tool. It's a picker that helps to pull out just the green beans. The picker shoots the beans back to a wagon. See? There, workers pack them into boxes to be sold. So crop farms grow crops or types of vegetables and fruits. And then do you think the farmer and his family eat? Do they eat everything that they grow? No, they possibly can't. That's too much. They grow it so they can sell it to you and me. Because do we have our own garden where we can grow everything that we need? No. So we depend on crop farms for a lot of our vegetables and our fruits. Oh, there they are now. It's time to pick the fruits. Yummy. I love fruits. I love pretty much every type of fruit there is. It's peach time. I'm helping Tawny learn to climb the ladder and pick fruit. And there she goes, and she's picking too. And what are they picking here? Mom says corn is a good source of energy. It has lots of sugar and vitamins. I check the corn to see if it's ready for picking. And then Mom's job is to sort the corn into boxes. The whole family is working on this crop farm. Okay, and then in the summer, it's time for berries. They're picking the berries. And then it's time for Dad to plow the field and get a late crop started for the winter, for the fall and the winter. What do you think he's going to start planting so that maybe in the fall it'll be time for us to pick it? Do you know? It's something orange and round. What do you think? Yes! Well, you can tell it's almost Halloween when the pumpkin patch turns orange. And here, these are gourds. Most gourds can't be eaten. People use them for decorations during the fall. And here, our customers will turn these pumpkins into jack-o'-lanterns and pies. Brittany and I try a pumpkin toss for fun. So they are busy all year round, aren't they, on this crop farm? And then sometimes an apple grows to a huge size, like this one. Look at how big it is. It's bigger than his whole palm. But most are more like the ones Courtney's picking. Right there, okay? These apples are ready to travel to our stand to be sold. I picked many of them myself. Remember, a crop farm grows vegetables and fruits so that they can be sold. And then it's time to take it to the market. And here they go. And sometimes they go to a farmer's market. Sometimes they sell it to grocery stores for you and me to go in. Look at, oh, she even works at the market. Okay. So, and then when it's almost time, you think that the trees might look dead because once all the fruits are picked, they look dead, but no, they aren't. They're just dormant. And then it's time to prune the branches. That means to cut them and make them shorter. And that actually helps them grow taller and stronger the following year. Okay? They even have some animals on their farm here, but mostly they grow fruit and vegetables on crop farms. All right? Oh, wow. They have chickens and peacocks. Look at that beautiful peacock. And she's got a baby chick right here. Courtney makes friends with a fuzzy yellow chick. All right. Did you enjoy that picture walk? Did you learn a lot about crop farms? Yes. I'm glad. Are we so grateful to crop farmers? Yes. And animal farmers too. We are.